Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Now, chances are you did see me on HSN this week, and guess what? We had some adorable, cute little kids on there. But you know what? You know me, if you've been hanging around here a little bit, sometimes I can't stop. And I designed these three and I loved them, but you know what? I had two more ready to go. And so on the stamps, so these are the three we released on HSN, exclusive to HSN, but I have added two more cute little guys, two little kids to go with those. So I've added the cute little witch and the cute little mummy to go with the skeleton, little girl cat, and the little pharaoh guy. So cute. Now, of course, these have dies that match, and here are the dies that match. So you're getting the stamps and the dies. You can buy them separately or together. Isn't that fun? Now I have a ton of samples to share with you. Another brand new item today, which is really exciting, is a Christmas light Fold It. Now, you know, and I know how much we all love the Fold It. Well, the samples I share with you today are gonna knock your socks off, let me tell you. Then I decided the other day that I need another Thinking of You die set. So I designed that and I have samples to show you on that. Let's in fact grab those samples right now. So here's that fun Thinking of You. It's a nice tall, fun font. Of course, it comes with the shadow die, and look how gorgeous that is. Now, there's lots of different versions of this one. Here's another one, Thinking of You. Here's another one with our cute little squirrel from the Cut It Up pad. Look how cute he is, Thinking of You. Oh, here's one on a Flip It card, Thinking of You. We want people to know that we're thinking of them, and what a nice way to say it is just by saying, we're thinking of you, Thinking of You. I also like that it could be from me personally or from my husband and I, because it just says Thinking of You. It doesn't say I'm thinking of you or we're thinking of you. It just says Thinking of You, so it can be used for both. Also looks great on our slimline cards. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Now, let's check out our Halloween kits, because let me tell you, they are so adorable. I hope everybody gets to go trick-or-treating this year, and look how cute that little witch is, or trick-or-treating with her little mummy friend, or look, you can fit 3 on a slimline card. Isn't that cute? And look, this even comes with the cute, this even shows the cute little stamp and die set that we have on our website, the candy corn to cut, and look at those cute little witches. So you can design, you can dress her up as much or as little as you want. Either way, looks fantastic. Look at this one using the Halloween to build. Isn't that perfect? And our web die. That web die is the most popular die for Halloween, I'm telling you. It comes with the cute little spiders, but look how cute he is. Ooh, or we could make a shadow box. Look how cute. They're going trick-or-treating. Boo, isn't that fun? Oh, here's a gorgeous little girl. She looks so cute, ready to go out. So fun, so cute. Oh, look at these mummies. Oh, they're almost scary, right? Almost scary. In a cute little box. Look how cute that is. Candy. So fun. Oh, look at that cute moon with the little dots cut out of it. Ooh, and here's a slimline also. Look how fun that is. Nice little scene. I love that. Boo, 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 boo. Everywhere. I love it. Happy Halloween. Now, the Christmas light Fold It. Look at this. First of all, you can use the Box It die to make it a cute little treat box if you want. Ho, ho, ho. Here is a fun banner, and you guys always know, I always say that they make great banners. Now, to hold this up, oh, let me get it the right way. Go that way. It says Mary. To hold this up, these cute little tags, Catherine used the triangle box die that it's like an ornament holder kind of die, but isn't that cute? It says Mary. I love it. Oh, here's a cute one, joyful. So you don't have to make it a folded card. So here's an example of it as a folded card where it fits in a standard A2 size envelope. But you know what? There's so many other uses for it. You can make a banner, you can make a treat box, you can just put it on top of a card. Oh gosh, look how cute this is. Now, it comes with the die that adds the little sparkles, but you don't have to add it. It looks like my design team did on every single one, but you don't have to. That's an optional die, so it could just be a solid if you want it to be solid as well. But it looks like my team kind of really liked that one. Here's a gorgeous one with glitter paper. So pretty. Ooh, look at this one. You shine with kindness. Doesn't even have to be for Christmas. Look how gorgeous that tree is with all that bling. Thank you for everything you do. Isn't that pretty? Oh, here's another pretty one. Look how gorgeous that is with all those diamonds. Christmas wishes. Imagine sending this to someone for Christmas. That is going to knock their socks off with all that bling and all the glitter. It just looks fantastic. This is one they're going to save for a long time. Oh, here's another fun one. Oh, with the sprigs from the pine cone set. Doesn't that look great? Merry Christmas. And here's another one. You don't have to stick with red and green. We can do pink for Christmas. Isn't that fantastic? Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on all of these products. If I went too fast with you on some of those, don't worry. You can go to our online gallery on our website, thestampsoflife.com. See them up close and personal, even mark your favorites, and even print out the ones you really, really love. Isn't that an awesome idea? Now, again, club members, you get your club discount. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you're missing out. You can be in the club for as little as $11.95 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you each month. Then you get a 15% discount off everything else on our website. Go check out the club little tab that says join the club. You'll definitely want to watch that video. And I'm going to go over to thestampsoflife.com. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.